Dennis Ricic, CroatianSports.com, Staples Center, Los Angeles, California. I'm here with Brooklyn Nets center Justin Hamilton. Justin, last time we talked to you, you were talking about playing for Croatia. Uh, they did give you, they did call you, they did invite you to the team. From what I know, you were with the team for a few days, and you signed this contract with the Brooklyn Nets, and you had to decline the offer. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, last summer I was trying to play for the national team, and right before I was going back to play for him, the NBA called, and I wasn't able to go. So it was a little heartbreaking, but at the same time they played really well, and Coach and Boyan played really well, and so it was great to see them do well.
So you had to decline the offer from Croatia, or was it your choice, or the?
It was my agent asked me to decline, so it was mine and the NBA's.
Did you watch any of Croatia's games for the Olympics?
Yes, I watched a lot of them. They played really well, and it was great to see them back in the Olympics.
How do you see yourself fitting in with the team? Can you plug that void at center for Croatia?
I'm not sure. They like last year. Bilan played really well. They have a lot of guys that are playing really well, and so we'll see what happens.
Will you be there for Croatia Eurobasket next year?
We'll see. I'm not sure what the dates are and everything, but we'll see what happens.
Donald Trump is the president of America, president of the United States. How was the atmosphere like in the locker room with the players and all that? How did they react?
It was a big reaction. Anytime there's a new president, there's a shock initially, but it was really interesting, and everyone reacts differently if you're supporting one way or the other way.
Good to see you start tonight, and we'll see you for Croatia next summer, hopefully.
Thank you.